In this video, we're going to look at how to factorize third-degree polynomials. Factorizing a cubic function basically helps us to find the x-intercepts of our graph. So let's say you are given the function 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 2x plus 5, and you're asked to solve for x. The first step that you're going to take is to set this equation equal to 0. Then your second step is to find a value which makes this equation equal to 0. We can do this using our calculator. Let's try x is equals to 1. We get an answer of 0. Okay, so x is equals to 1 makes the above equation true. Thus, this means that x minus 1 is a factor. Now that we've found one of the factors, step number 3 is to solve for the other factors either by inspection, synthetic division, or long division. In this video, we're going to use inspection. In inspection, what we have to do is to write out our first factor, and then we write out a second bracket, the first term in our small bracket times the first term in our big bracket must give us our leading term in our original function. Okay, so we have x in our small bracket, so x times what will give you 2x cubed? Well, x times 2x squared. Then your next step is to take the second term in the small bracket multiplied by the last term in your big bracket. That must give you your constant value in your original function. So we have negative 1 multiplied by what must give us positive 5? Well, minus 5. Then for the middle term, we're going to put a placeholder of plus bx. Okay, so for the middle term, the first term in the small bracket times bx, right, plus the second term in the small bracket times the first term in our large bracket, right? Both these must give us our x squared term in our original function. So basically what we are setting up is x times bx, right? And positive times negative is negative, right? 1 times 2x squared. This must equal minus 5x squared. Okay. This first term then becomes bx squared minus 2x squared is equals to minus 5x squared. Okay. We can move this minus 2x squared to the other side, giving you bx squared is equals to minus 5x squared plus 2x squared, which is going to be minus 3x squared. Right? And since both these equations contain x squared, you can divide both sides by x squared, leaving you with b is equals to minus 3. Then this becomes x minus 1 times 2x squared minus 3x minus 5. Step number 4 is to then solve the trinomial which we've formed in step 3. This doesn't have any clear factors, so let's use the quadratic equation. For the quadratic equation, we first need to identify a, b, and c. In this trinomial, a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 3, and c is equals to minus 5. Then, into the quadratic equation, we'll have that x is equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, all of this divided by 2 times a. So this is equals to, negative times a negative is a positive, so this is 3 plus or minus the square root of negative 3 squared is 9 minus, actually negative times negative will make this a positive, okay. 5 times 2 is 10, 10 times 4 is 40, all of this is divided by 4. This is then equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 49 all over 4. This is equals to 3 plus the square root of 49 over 4, or x is equal to 3 minus the square root of 49 over 4. Okay, so therefore x is equals to 3 plus the square root of 49 is 7 over 4. X is equals to 3 minus 7 over 4. Okay, this is then further equal to 5 over 2 or minus 1. Okay, so our three solutions are x is equals to 1, x is equals to minus 1, and x is equals to 5 over 2, right? Therefore, our factors are x minus 1, x plus 1, and 2x minus 5. Okay, so this means that 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 2x plus 5 can be factorized into x minus 1, x plus 1 times 2x minus 5. Okay, and these are your x-intercepts of your cubic graph.
Sleep till